How to clean your big brush on Xiaomi G20 Max vacuum cleaner. So you will need the scissors and vacuum cleaner if needed. So grab your big brush and rotate it like this. And as you can see, there are so many hair from our dog salon. So let me just use this little vacuum cleaner and clean it, and then we will continue. Next step is to unlock the big brush. So here is the little orange thing. Pull it to this side and this will pop. And now we want to grab the big brush. If you have long hair in your household, you will need scissors. So I got it right here, and just clean it like this. You can do it on multiple places and just pull all the hair from that big brush. So the brush is cleaned, there is no longer hair. And also we want to clean this part. So again, I'm gonna use my vacuum cleaner to clean this area. You can also use water, but make sure it's not connected to the big part. I'm gonna keep it like this because I'm using it daily in our dog salon, so it's okay, it's not cleaned 100%. Then if you want to put it back, grab the brush, and here is the star, and put the star inside this. So make sure to do it like this, push it, and this part, put it back like this. Make sure it's rotating, and now you can use it, and the big brush is cleaned very easily. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.